Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I'm here again once again. So is that the English? Okay, Sha, let's move on. So today I'm here with another different aspect of another type of video. That's the English, right? Okay, so yeah, I'm here today. I'm going to be showing you ta-da! An unboxing video. Let's do a smear. Is it a smear or a let's shall move on. So this is a package I received from MS Metics, Miss Metics Cosmetics. I love the sound of that. Okay, so Glow Voyage. I received this from MS Metics. Normally I don't do unboxing. Okay, so normally I don't do unboxing videos like this, but I'm going to start with this particular one. So check it out. This is I received this from MS Metics, as I've said before. I'm going to be plus this one. I don't know why I removed the packaging for this, but it's also part of it. Is a bottom lash MS21. Look at it here. Normally I don't fix bottom lashes, but I'm going to start very soon by the grace of God. So this lash is right here. I'm going to put it to use, and if I'm making a video on this, I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so let me unbox this for you guys to see. You see, I've seen it before, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be doing it so that you guys will see how it looks. It looks like a box. I love the packaging so much. That was why I was like, I'm going to do an unboxing video for YouTube to see how cute this packaging looks. See the tag self. There is something like this that you can get on your, let's say your luggage when you're traveling and all. Looks like a box. Okay, so enough of that. Let's move on to this. I'm going to open this. How do I do this? Yes, of course. Like, okay, let me just do this. It actually looks like a. I'm opening it upside. I'm opening it. God, English. Okay, I'm opening. I opened it upside down. So this is it. Let me show you how it looks from inside. I don't know if it's showing, but sure. Yes. Yeah, it's actually filled up with goodies. So let me start from this part here, then we can move on to the next part. And oh, this looks see the inside. So it says, as we take you on this journey, grab your passport. It contains your visa, lash application, your tickets, the glue and the lock, your postcards allow you to custom your vacation, your credit card. I'm not reading everything. Your health insurance, guarantee healthy, radiant glow. Don't forget to return your ticket. It takes you right back to where it started from. Oh my god, this is good. Okay, so it's all Mismetics Airways. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to be reading this while I bring them out one by one. Okay, so it says passport, the tweezers. Where is the passport? Where is the passport? Passport. Okay, so number one, it says passport. Lashland passport. See how cute this looks, guys. Okay, so Lashland passport. Wow, nice one. See, just a pair of tweezers, not a pair. Yeah, a pair of sweet tweezers. Okay, so let me put this back. After the passport thing, it even has pages. This is like the cutest PR I've received so far. I don't know, maybe next one, sure. And number two, it says credit card. Credit card. Oh, look at it. Credit card. Lash Island. Credit card. Hmm. Okay. Wow. It even has. It's a moisturizer. God, I've used this moisturizer before and I loved the feeling, the texture, and everything. But it's a moisturizer, the bomb moisturizer. Next, number three, it says ticket, glue and lock. Where's the ticket? Ticket. Yeah, return ticket. Guys, see this? Oh, so cute. Okay, so this is the glue. Is my ticket when I'm entering the plane. Long wearing, retinoin, avoid what else? Oh, sorry, eyelash glue. MS Metics eyelash glue. Number four, it says return ticket. return ticket removal, lash glue remover. Okay, so let's say after you've applied the ticket, the sorry. So after you've applied the lash glue, you're of course going to use this to dissolve the lashes, the lash glue, before removing your lashes. Yes. So it's the return ticket. This is the ticket. This is the return ticket. That's what it says. So this is for locking and this is for remover. Yes. Okay. So next number 5, it said postcard. 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 Yes. Postcard. Lash Island postcard. Nice. This is cute. Let me see. Oh my god. This is so cute. I want to put it in my mouth. Washa? Yeah. So this is the postcard. Next, it says health insurance card. Oh, when you're traveling, you need all of this. So, oh, this is like a glow. Wow. Increase in case of emergency. Oh, in case of emergency, apply with your fingers or your beauty sponge using gentle tapping motions. Apply into high points of the face. God, I'm so glazed. Oh, this is like for your glow and everything. Dewy highlight balm. Yes, that's what it's called. Then, last but not the least, insurance card. See this insurance card? It's also a glaze, like it's a highlighter. Oh, see how cute this looks. So tiny. I love the packaging. This is like an emergency. Let's say whatever when you're going out or something, you can easily just use all of these things right here. So it's just a lashes pack. Let's say lashes with highlighter and then a moisturizer. Just a glow queen something. Yeah, nothing is down again. Nothing is under the packaging again. So I basically this is just it. Yes. So guys, see how cute this looks. Oh my god, I love this glow voyage. So it's like a let's say when you're going for a trip or something like that. Yeah, for a vacation. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'm done with the unboxing. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you love videos like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I'm going to say goodbye. And thank you to MX Message for sending me this package. I love it and they are so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.